Hello and welcome to this video on YouTube for SEO. This has been prompted by an email actually came out from an SEO company, Market Samurai, last week. I was reading it over the weekend and it suddenly prompted me to get this video done because I'd already done a presentation on this and I go into a little bit more detail than they do. So I thought, why not? Let's get it done. This is Monday's blog post and Monday's video, and also Monday's MP3. Some time now we've been repurposing all of our content, and this is just one of those examples. If you have a look at the blog that goes along with this, you will see how we've repurposed all of the content in many different ways to make the most of everything that we do, and you should be doing this too. There will be another video and another blog post that will explain that in more detail. But first of all, we're going to look at YouTube for SEO. It's an interesting subject because a lot of people don't think about using YouTube as an SEO tool, and really it's an excellent tool. It means that we can get found in Google simply because we can rank our videos. If we do a video, we've got a very good chance of that video appearing in the top 10. So what this presentation and at the end of this example is going to show you is how to rank your videos in YouTube, why we should rank videos, and how to create those videos. I'm actually going to start about looking at this, why even bother? And it's very simple. Google ranks videos. If you do a search, you'll find that Google will show videos in the search results. This is for driving tractors. You can do this search yourself and you will find there's a result, and there's Google showing a video. So it does this because Google owns YouTube. It indexes YouTube. YouTube is actually the second largest search engine in the world. That's simply because people are using YouTube to find things out. They're searching for products, they're searching for reviews, and they're searching for information about people because they like to use video. So it's reasonable to assume it takes video and the authority of that video into consideration when ranking other pages. So we're going to talk about specifically ranking an actual video, i.e. getting a video into the top 10. But that can have a knock-on effect for the rest of your site. Your site can become popular because of a video. One of the ranking factors of a website is how many visits it gets. So if you have a video that's ranking really well and it's got a link on it through to your website, and that website is getting lots of videos from that, lots of clicks from that video, then you're improving your chances of getting a good ranking. But why? Why should we do this? Well, here's some data from a company called WeCapture, Web Video Statistics. It's from 2012, so it has a few interesting things to say. First thing here being it's perfect for business. 59% of senior executives prefer to watch video rather than reading text. I wonder if you prefer video. I actually don't. I'm one of those that prefers to read a document. Maybe that's because I'm quite a fast reader and I find video a little bit slow. But apparently most people prefer to watch video. And 80% of executives are watching more online video today than they were a year ago. That's not surprising. Many educational training establishments now send out videos. They're great for explaining things to people as you go along. And the importance of mobile video. Mobile viewers watch video about 3 times longer than those using a desktop PC. That is very interesting. Mobile viewers will watch video for longer. And that's probably because it is mobile. You're sat on a bus, you're not doing anything else, you have no other distractions other than the video that you're currently watching. Maybe that's why people will watch them longer. And the demographic of YouTube viewers is 18 to 54, so the ages of 18 to 54. That's very, very wide. Facebook, what's the other one? MySpace, lots of other social networks don't have that sort of demographic. That means you can capture lots and lots of customers in a wide church. An interesting stat here is by 2013 over 90% of internet traffic will be video based. Now I thought, when I first saw this, I thought that seems a little bit over the top, but actually it's talking about traffic, not number of searches, not number of views, but traffic. That means data, raw data. Now video takes up an awful lot of bandwidth. It's only really come to the fore with people using it because more people have broadband connections. And it's probably as well, this 90% figure comes from streaming, video, movies, TV. There are lots and lots of video on demand boxes now that you plug into your telly and you can view video at any time. I've got an Apple TV and there are tons and tons of videos on there, lots of channels, but you can get instant streaming, and that puts pressure on broadband, obviously, but it also means that the amount of internet traffic is increasing, and it's increasing through the use by people who don't normally use video. It's for entertainment purposes. It's not by tech savvy people. Lots of documents on the internet, PDFs and things like that, their increase comes from the use by tech savvy people using people who want instructions on how to do something quite technical, so they'll download a PDF. Video is different. You don't need to be particularly tech savvy to download an episode of Coronation Street anymore. Perhaps a little bit deranged. And video is great at converting. Companies using online video for promotion have seen sales lift from 20 to 40%. That's an incredible increase. I think conversion rates from AdWords are in the low percentile range, or 1-2%. So to see sales lifts from 20 to 40% is an incredible increase. And visitors who view product videos are 85% more likely to buy than visitors who do not. Another interesting statistic of that, because that's probably down to the fact that people can actually view a product in use. A lot of marketing, a lot of sales isn't about selling features and benefits or a product. It's actually selling what that product does. It's selling the dream of that product. So if you can see a video of a product in use, then it could be that video will entice you to buy it, because you're not just looking at a coloured box on a table or a boxed up product somewhere, you're actually seeing it in use. I mean, it involves emotions then, so people are more likely to buy that product. And 52% of videos viewed on a desktop PC are under 3 minutes, whereas 42% of videos viewed on a tablet PC are over 10 minutes. Again, I'm guessing this is down to the environment. People are more likely to sit on a sofa and view a video, view the length, a lengthy video, because you can just sit there. And it's the only thing you're doing. With a desktop PC, you tend to be doing other things as well. You're working on something, and so you want quick and snappy videos. But if people are buying and they're using their tablet PC, you can give them longer videos. Now, with the responsive web and with new web technologies, it actually means that you can tailor your videos for customers. You need to talk to your web designers about this, but if you can present a short video to people browsing your website on desktop, but a longer video to people browsing your website on mobile or on tablet PC, then it could be that you could increase your sales conversion percentages quite a lot. So that's how or why we should be creating videos. In the next section, we're going to have a look at how to create a video and what to do when we upload it to YouTube. Okie dokie, so we're going to create a video first, and my weapon of choice is Animoto for creating very quick slideshow style images. First of all, we need some images, obviously, and I'm just using as an example the Men collection from Next. Now, I use a tool on this site called Download Them All. It's a plugin for Firefox, very easy to use. You can choose pictures and media and then just download every image on that page. That could be very useful for your site. If you've got a bunch of images on your site and you can't be bothered to find the CD or the folder where you had them in the first place, just download them all. and then we go to Animoto, and Animoto has a lot of presets, these are video styles that you can just insert your images into, and we use these a lot. They're very, very good. So let's choose one. Now there are some pro ones. The pro ones you have to pay for. The ones that haven't got this pro in, you can use for free. So you can actually use these videos for free. Well, yeah, let's go Surf Dude. So if we get an example of that, what's that? Okay, that'll do. Don't need to listen to any more. So we go create, loads up the video creator, and add pics and videos. And here are our images, so we'll choose that one, that one, that one, that one. There's a lot here. Jeans, all sorts. There we go. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Him, the watch, that guy, that suit. And that'll do. Just a random set of images. So those will all be uploaded. I'll just pause while that's uploading. And we're done. So those are all our images now. Now you can see up here the video is only going to be 32 seconds long. That means the slides will flip through fairly quickly. So we're going to change that. We're going to knock that right down, image pacing to very slow, 1.5 minutes. That will do. So as a slideshow of the images off our site, that will do for now. Now obviously you should create different videos for different categories of your store, so women's, men's, children's, whatever. You can add text as well. I won't go into all of that. I'll let you sort all that out. So we then preview the video. It'll give us a low resolution preview, and we'll do this men's clothing, give it a title, and in a minute, so about 30 seconds, we get a low resolution video that we can just preview. As you can see, it does a pretty good job of creating a video. We click produce. And that will go away and that will produce the video. You can see there the video is being created. Now this will produce a low resolution version of the video. We're going to upgrade that to high definition. We want the highest definition possible for our videos on YouTube. And that will email me when that is finished. Right then, so then we're going to have to upload to YouTube. So I'll pause the video again, wait for this to finish, and we'll come back and upload it to YouTube. Right, so we have our video. I've downloaded it there. Now the first thing we want to do is change the name of this video. We don't upload it called Animoto 1080. We want to upload it with the keywords that we're looking to rank for. So we want to rank for, in our fantasy video upload here, we're going to rank for men's clothing. So men, let's not put the apostrophe in for here because that can upset things. Men's clothing. And we will now head over to YouTube, and we can just simply drag our video into there. There's our title. It's already put in. Let's put the apostrophe in there. And this is the page we want to rank. Put that URL in there. Next, wide range. Put your description in. Our description is going to be: next, provide a wide range of ideal men's clothing items. Now we want to put a little bit more in here. We want a lot more into the description because Google will be indexing this description. So let's put some blah blah blahs in here. Let's put a bit of information. In fact, let's go to next and see. Here we go. We can just copy some of the data from next. If you were doing an instructional video, you would actually get a transcription of the video and put that in here. Okay, Okay, so we've got some content in there now, a description while it's uploading, and also you need to put the URL of your page right at the top. Don't embed it down the bottom, put it right at the top, the first thing that people see. We set the privacy settings to public, and we will also enter some tags. So the tags will be men's clothing, clothing for men, and we're putting here tags related to the keywords, not the exact keywords, but some other keywords around that subject. Oops, men's clothes, I can't think anymore. Men's fashion. There we go. We've got a suggested tag of clothing industry. Okay, we'll put that as well. Right, so that is it. We have pretty much optimized that video, and it's been saved. So we've got a video with description, tags, the link in the description, and I will set the category to, will this be how to and start, so we get the correct category as well. There aren't many categories on YouTube, I notice. Strange, but that's pretty much set now, so we just need to wait for that to upload. It'll upload, it'll process, and that's our video done, ready to promote in many different ways. And once we've got that video uploaded, we then want to promote it to our list. I'm assuming you've got a list. So you send that out to people and you say, here's a video that you can view that will show some of our products, etc. Send it out to people who've bought products in the past. Send it out to people on your mailing list. Send it out to potential customers. Get it out there so people will view it, because Google ranks videos based on the number of likes, the number of shares, the number of people that are viewing that video. So the more people that will view it, the more chance you've got of getting that video ranked high in Google. And that's pretty much it for SEO on videos. Fairly straightforward, but a lot of people aren't doing this. Lots of people aren't doing the simple things that can help your video rank. And you should do this for as many products as you've got. If you've got products that require instruction to use, then create a video that shows people how to use it. It's easier for software because you can use screen recording systems like I've just done, but you can just grab a handy cam, grab a mobile phone, and just show people inserting paper into a photocopier, changing the toner on a laser printer. One that was extremely useful for me, it's going to sound stupid, but changing the SIM card on my new phone. I was under the impression I got the correct SIM card, but it wasn't fitting properly, and then I found a video that shows you how to add the SIM card, and what do you know, I got the wrong SIM card. Okay, there's a final step now, a step to make it really, really well optimized, and that is to add closed captions. So from our video manager, if we go to our latest video and click on this little CC button, closed captions, and we can add captions. And the whole idea is that you type what's spoken in the video and then click sync, and then it will synchronize it to the video. So this works really well with videos that have that have actual spoken word in the video. Not so much for music videos, but we can still add some captions here. So let's just type some stuff in. So just type in find the best men's clothing at next, including sale items and last year's stock. Oops, stick of stock. I'll sync that. So that's trying to sync it now with the video. It'll probably fail because there's no actual content in the video itself. But you get the idea. For your videos that have text, then videos that have content, that have words, that people speaking, then you can type that text into here and add in the captions. There are other ways of doing it. There are third-party tools that will allow you to add closed captions, and you don't have to synchronize them. You can just add the text in where you want it to appear and then upload the closed caption track. But those are other things. We'll go through that in a subsequent video. It's a little bit more advanced, so we'll go through that a bit later on. But there you go. There are the basics for optimizing your YouTube videos and hopefully getting them ranked. I mean, remember, get it published, get people viewing your videos, and getting people liking them if possible.